What a beauty I have made! Hi! In today's video, I want to share with you how easy you can make beautiful and unique cushions covers that matches with your decor style. No, don't leave before you see how easy it is. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Sharing is caring. This beige ribbon is from Hobby Lobby. The flower lace is a leftover from a desk lamp that I upgrade. It is from Temu. After I set it with pins, I sew them in place. I buy this pink fabric at Walmart. I cut it 27 by 20 inches. Now I place the front and the back together. The front is bigger, it's 27 by 20. The back is 20 by 20. Like you see here is the correct way to put the pieces together before you sew or paste them. Now I'm going to turn it. Mark the four corners and the leftover piece is going outside. going to make two flower printed cushions covers. This fabric is from a local thrift store and I paid for 2 yards only $4. I'm going to follow the same steps of the pink fabric that I did before to sew them. Now I'm going to decor both of them. I'm going to use this vintage lace that I buy on a thrift store for only 50 cents. I cut them in pieces to use in both covers, but I want to make different designs. The laces that I'm going to be using are from Walmart and Hobby Lobby. The flowers are from Walmart, the same that I used for the other cushion cover. And I also make some flowers using the same fabric. I buy this beautiful vintage lace for 50 cents in a thrift store, and I cut a piece to use it on this yellow cover that I saw using the same step of the covers that you saw before. The laces and the decor that I'm going to be using are from Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby. The flowers are from Michael's. I just got 2 long pieces of flower fabric and tied them in the front and the back, right in the middle of a yellow cushion that I have for a long time. Then I just put a flower that I made twisting lace and fabric together. I have a video of how to make awesome flowers for your decoration. Go and watch it after you finish watching this video. This is a simple and easy way that you can upgrade cushions that you already have. Are you still here? Yes! Give yourself a big applause. Thanks for watching the video to the end and like it. Please subscribe because I want to see you here again. Kisses and hugs. Bye!